Hello guys, this is Kunal Gautam and this is our YouTube channel Sorium Classes. Today's class, we are going to discuss a very important point, the basic difference between the open loop control system and closed loop control system. Okay, open loop control system having no any feedback. It means output and input is directly interconnected to each other by using the controller. But in case of closed loop control system, input and output, and there is one feedback from output is given to input. Plus, minus, plus. Okay. So, as you see there is first difference is that there is no feedback in open loop control system, and in case of the closed loop control system there is a feedback. So the basic difference between that are there is no feedback and there is a feedback. So is it complex? Obvious, there is no complexity in the open loop control system. Second difference is that there is no complexity, there is no complex configuration because there is no feedback. But in case of closed loop control system, circuit is complex, so circuit is configuration is complex. Now when you're talking about the accuracy, then open loop control system is not more accurate, because when the input is applied on the open loop control system, due to environmental noise or environmental error mixed up with the input, due to this the output is affected. So it is not a more accurate, not accurate as compared to the closed loop control system, because here there is a feedback. So feedback, some part of output is taken to the input. In that situation the accuracy is much more high as compared to the open loop control system. Now in here there is no feedback, but in case of closed loop control system there are two feedback. One is called the positive feedback and second is called negative feedback. In case of positive feedback, when the positive feedback is applied, then in case gain will be increased, and when the gain will be increased, gain is inversely proportional to bandwidth, so bandwidth will be decreased. When gain will be increased, in case of closed loop control system, bandwidth will be decreased, and our bandwidth in closed loop control system is directly proportional to stability. So in case of the closed loop control system, stability decrease. So if anyone asks you to question which system is more stable, stable, then in that case open loop control system is a more stable system, because its bandwidth is high, but its gain is low. Okay, so by this one relationship between the gain and bandwidth, we can easily calculate the stability and the gain relationship. In case of the open loop control system, gain is low, but in case of closed loop control system, gain is high. Bandwidth is high in case of open loop control system and bandwidth is low in case of closed loop control system. And accuracy, who is more accurate device? The more accurate closed loop control system is a more accurate device as compared to the open loop control system. Okay, so that is our basic difference, and that is the very important difference between the open loop control system and closed loop control system.